Why so mad? Maybe you guys want to leave now, or no?
Oh, maybe
Why are you guys here?
you own this house.
No, I'm not saying
Why are you not your rent?
I think you own this house.
Your house here?
Yeah.
And
Oh my
my,
God, wow.
and that one.
Why are you in my face? I mean, why are you so mad?
And why can't you face me? Why can't you face everyone?
Why? Why are you so mad? You're the only one who's got here. No, I mean, why? Bakit ba nga nandito kayo? Yeah.
Alam mo sarili mo, bakit ka nandito?
Matagal ka lang dito.
And? Yan lang. Plus wala kang... Ikaw, nakakasok tayo because they were nice and we didn't entertain them. Pero she's not nice and we're sending you out.
So, may discount tayo na pwede natin ng palitin kung gusto natin.
We're sending you out. You're not welcome. Yeah, you're not welcome here, princess. You're not welcome.
Nobody just did. Yeah, listen.
Mom.
Let her go. Come on, get up.
Are you sorry? What's up with you? Hawakan kita!
Yeah.
Ayoko kay Melissa dahil pinapasama niya ako rin.
po ng 1 point si Melissa dahil sa kanya po nagiging mas maingay ako. And yung maingay ko po na quality is yung quality na ayaw po ng mga ibang housemates.
Ayoko kay Melissa dahil maingay siya.
Yeah.
Mama, no? Siya ay sorry. Or don't touch me if you don't want me to be violent. Face
Oh, we don't know how to handle you. We don't know how to handle you. You're being... Hindi ka nun. Hindi ka nun. Nasaan ka? John, sorry, John.
Dude!
No, wait.
But careful. Sorry, John.
You're the only one that will like that. Do you think you're being real? Don't talk to them, Rob.